I'm Georgios Spathoulas. I'm an associate professor with NTNU, which is the National Technical University in Norway, and I'm the coordinator of the ENFIELD Project. ENFIELD stands for European Lighthouse to Manifest Green and Trustworthy AI, and is one of the latest 3 AI networks of excellence in Europe. I and my colleagues from the network are very excited to be here for the event, the 4th community workshop between European AI networks of excellence. It's the first such event that we have the opportunity to participate, and we are very happy to discover the level of communication, interaction and collaboration between existing NoEs, along with the incredible results they have already achieved up until now in terms of research output and formation of synergies. From our side, as one of the networks that will be still active after September 2024, we see it as a great opportunity that we can take up the work already being done and continue it, but it's a very high responsibility for us to progress further and produce more results. It's very difficult for someone to ignore that the latest advancements in AI around the world and the size of investment in other parts of the world make it very hard for Europe to compete with US and China. But us, the Networks of Excellence, along with the European Commission, have to discuss, decide and define which are the things that we can do better than others. So as the ENFIELD Network of Excellence, we commit ourselves to work towards the development and use of AI systems in a more fair, responsible and trustworthy way in the future around the globe.